Welcome to Clever Cooking, where we are making AuGratin potatoes from scratch. We'll start with some butter for our cheese sauce. I'm just going to stir this around a bit, get it melted, and then we'll add flour. That will be our thickener, and we'll add some salt. Next, we'll add some pepper, and then I like to add some paprika. Now this is just for color. It's not smoked paprika, just regular paprika. And then I'm going to start adding the milk, and you'll see why I like the flat edge of the spatula to use that to get any lumps stirred down that might develop. And I've got that all stirred together. Now we're going to let it thicken. I did add a little nutmeg in there. That gives it a nice flavor. And it's already looks like the cheese was in there because of that nutmeg, but now we're putting the cheese in, getting that stirred in. It's a little lumpy yet, but it's going to be a nice, smooth, silky cheese sauce. Look at that. All right, we'll set that aside, and now it's time to peel and slice the potatoes nice and quickly. All right, now I'm dumping the potatoes into a big bowl and putting the cheese sauce in there so I can get it stirred around. We want all those potatoes covered with the cheese sauce. That's looking good. Got the pan sprayed, and now we're adding the potatoes. And we'll just level this out a bit. Some of the potatoes look like they need to be covered a little bit more in the cheese sauce. We'll just work that around. And now for the AuGratin part, we need to make our topping. A little bit of butter, melt it, adding breadcrumbs, and a boost of flavor with some Italian seasoning. We'll get that all stirred up, and then we'll sprinkle it over the potatoes. Now this won't completely cover all the potatoes, but it'll give it a nice topping. Okay, we're ready to cover this with foil. Into the oven it goes, and it says to bake for 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours is usually what it is, and then we get to take off the foil. Look how gorgeous that looks. You can use parsley to cover the top. Today I'm using fresh parsley. That will boost the flavor as well. We'll dish this up. Look how beautiful that is, and you will taste just how delicious this is when you try this yourself. Thanks for watching Clever Cooking.